coming here has given me the opportunity to explore something that I'm now passionate about. The tutors have been fantastic in enabling me to build a portfolio of work that is professional and shows my range of skills.
I chose this course because I really enjoyed talking to the lecturers when I came to an open day, and I found that they were very interested in me, and it wasn't just trying to sell me a course, they're trying to sell me a future for me.
Since being at college, there's been lots of different opportunities from shows, showcases, dance workshops and trips.
We get the chance to perform in a professional working theatre and use all of its facilities and use them in actual performances when we do our main shows.